Underneath the golden autumn skies, the leaves fall like our memories, sing by the fire, sharing tales of years gone by in loving glances. The world outside turns colder now, but dear, we're warmed by simple joys. Gather round a table full of bounty, feel the love, the warmth that never ends. In every laugh, in every story told, we find our hearts, our roots unfold. The crackling of the hearth, it sings a lullaby of comfort and of dreams. Banjo strings and fiddle join the song, their melodies a thread through time. We raise a glass to all that came before, their spirits linger in our lore. Gather round a table full of bounty, feel the love, the warmth that never ends. In every laugh, in every story told.